Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I have brought 15 commands, the best command for the CMD you wish to know, by which you will become a pro user by watching this video till end. So let's start the process one by one guys. So step number one is to open the CMD, since we are going to perform all the commands in the CMD. Now we need to run the CMD as administrator. Now once you open the CMD, the first command I have brought you for get the Wi-Fi details as well as the get the Wi-Fi password on your Windows. This is the basic commands guys I have brought you. So I have brought you the best command in the daily routine. You can use them and you can enhance your productivity. So the first command is to check the Wi-Fi connected on our system and their passwords. So the first command is netsh space wlan space show profile. Now this will listed all the connected Wi-Fi here. So in order to check the Wi-Fi password here, what you need to do is you need to type for the same password with the some change, netsh wlan show profile. Now the password you want to look for, so I want to look this connected Wi-Fi password here. So I want to look for this password, so you need to quote the Wi-Fi name. You can directly copy from here, just copy this, Control C and Control V and close the bracket, then space key is equal to clear and hit enter. Now once you hit enter, you need to go to the security settings and inside here you need to look for the key content, and here is the password. I have hidden this password for security reason, but you can see all the details connected to the Wi-Fi password here. Similarly you can look the other password as well on your system connected. So this is the first command to check the Wi-Fi connected details as well as their passwords. So let's move on to the next method. In the next method, so the next command is ping command. Ping command is very powerful to check the connectivity. Let's say we want to check the Google speed, and we can use it similarly to troubleshoot the issue. So my internet is connecting to the Google in a 16 ms. So in order to get the better DNS, we can also type the ping 1.1.1.1. It is an open DNS Cloudflare, and let's check the MS as well. So you can see here average MS packet is 6 ms. It means the MS, the cloud one, is faster, so we can put the DNS here. So the ping command, we can also check the DNS which is faster. Also if any issues is with our internet, so we can also check the command here with this one. So in order to check our connectivity with the DNS, type for ping the DNS name, that is the google.com space -n space and 100. We are sending the 100 packets to the Google and checking the connectivity here. Once the command is completed, if it is running similarly to this, if there is no connectivity issues with our network, if any request timeout you are getting, it means that some connectivity issues you have in your internet. So you can check with your ISP in this case, or change your internet connection. Now you can see it has sent the 100 packets, received 100 packets, lost at 0%. It means that there is no internet connection with my internet. If you're getting any kind of latency and loss in it, it means that some issues is with your internet. Also you can continue run this with the -t. This will run continuously until you close the CMD, and in order to close this, press Ctrl C on your keyboard. It will stop the going for the DNS. Now let's move on to the third command. Third command is ipconfig. In order to check the IP addresses on our system, type here ipconfig, and you can see the IP address of wireless LAN. So ipconfig command will give you the IP address of your system, but if you want to see the all the details like the DNS as well as all the details connected with the other network as well, so type here ipconfig space / all, and this will give you all the results including the DNS in your system. See here the DNS as well as all the details including the physical address, the MAC address. Now the third mode command is to shut down your system by the command prompt. So in order to shut down or restart your system by the command prompt, you need to type for the command shutdown space /s space /t space 0. S means shut down the system, T means time, 0 seconds, and if you want to change it like in a seconds, you can do it 50 or whatever you want. Similarly, in the shutdown, you need to change here the this shutdown space R space /t space 0. System will be reboot. Now the fifth command is to check all the system details. Type a system info and hit enter. You will get all the details here including host name, your physical memory, when the system was booted last time, how long it was running. Let me show you the OS name, Microsoft Windows, OS version, you can see OS manufacturer, system boot time, you can see here as well, system manufacturer, system model number, all the details, the processor it has, the memory it has. You can also look for this option, total physical memory in MB. This is very powerful command to check the host name as well as the all the details in your system host name, the connected information, IP addresses inside your system. Now let's move on to the sixth command. Sixth command is task list. This will give you all the details running services inside your system, you can see here. So in order to close any task, you need to look for the process ID here. This is the process ID. So let's say we want to open the cmd.exe. So you need to type here this PID number. Just copy this PID number and type here the command task kill space /PID space the process ID control V space /F, and command prompt will be close forcefully. See, similarly you can close all the unknown tasks running on your system. If any viruses or other attack on your system, this command and this process is very powerful. Now let's move on to the next command. The seventh command is to change the color of the CMD. Type for health color. Now you can see color, all the colors you want to give it from here. You need to just type here the number in order to get the same color. Okay, so let me type here the command color, CLOR color. 2 means green, color 4 means red. See here, and if you want to back it as default, just type here color. This will be default color of your system. I like the green, color 2. Now let's move on to the next command. Next command is to get the date here. Sometime we need to copy and paste the date here, so we have to manually type that. Just type a date and simply you can press C on your keyboard and this will be copied directly. See, copy and paste. So the next command command number 9 is to open the network properties by the CMD. Type here ncpa.cpl and directly it will land into the network properties. You can change the DNS IP addresses from there. See all the adapters directly. You don't need to click anywhere on the system, just type here ncpa.cpl and you will be landing into this page. You can perform many steps, troubleshooting steps from there. So this is also very powerful command. So let's move on to the 10th number command. 10th command is to open the control panel directly from CMD. Type as control directly. Control and you will land into the control panel directly. See all the options you can see here. Now the 11th number command is to sysdm.cpl. This command is very powerful for the system administrator, as well as changing the system host name, going to advanced options, adjusting for best performance, changing the RAM, the virtual RAM inside our system, and many other tasks you can perform with this command, like changing the environment variable path from here, as well as the system users sign in details, whether the system user is normal user or the temporary users, remote details. See here the local details, local systems it has. I am the local user here. You can see the system details, users details, as well as the system startup information you will get here. Remote control you can do here, allow or block the access. You can select the particular user as well. This is very powerful command, sysdm.cpl. The computer name you can change it here. Hardware details, manage device manager. You can open the device manager from here as well. See, so many steps you can perform with this command. Now the command number 12th is debmg mt.msc to open the device manager directly. You can perform these commands by pressing Windows plus R button also. Okay, the next command in order to open the computer management services or the user details, type our compmgmt.msc and you can perform many steps from there, like computer management, users, groups, and the disk management setting, computers, event viewers, task schedulers, disk management, system services you can perform from there. See all the details you can see with this command. See groups, users, disk management, IIS services. 14th number command is msinfo32 in order to check the system properties in a graphical interface, the course details, system model number, secure boot status, total memory install inside our system, and many more details. The system host name, BIOS details, model number, system name, OS information, and Windows version. The next and the last, the 15th number command is to open the remote desktop services. You just need to open here like this, remote, and then open it, but you can directly run it from here, mstsc, and this will directly launch the remote desktop where you can type here the IP address and simply connect to your system. These commands you can also perform with the CMD. These commands, the normal, this one, this one, this one, this one, All the commands you can perform with the Windows plus R key here, and type like this, mstsc. So I hope guys, after applying, and you can note down these commands in order to enhance your productivity and enhance your knowledge in the computer. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.